Hi everyone, today we have this platform called GoCardless, and this is the best direct payment platform. Now, before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Jumping onto the platform, you can see that we have various features on its dashboard, like for example, how much money was spent today, confirmed funds, pending payouts that are being left out. We have a general overview as well. So if you simply click on this drop down, you can filter through days, like for example 7, 30, and 90. You can also set your dates using this dates option, and it will be giving you this calendar pop up to go through it. So you can see your account health, so active customers and failed payments. So these are all going to be serving to demonstrate the health of your account. On the left side, you can see your payment systems that you can add your subscription templates, your payouts. So if you head over to your payments, you can see the list of all of your payments, and after that you have your subscription templates, as you can see, and various other features, like for example your success plus. This is going to be reporting all of the activities on your account and what is going on, your configure, and for this you're going to be needing to upgrade your plan. You have your protect plus, so you can monitor risks, settings, and block lists. So the clients that you have blocked or payment systems that you have blocked will be showing in here. You can see the type, value, reason, block added on, and actions. And then you also have your chargebacks, using which you can charge and developers. So if you want to create a payment, you can click on this create payment option and enter details, like for example you're going to be adding the product and all this stuff. So basically this will be used to make a payment. Still, if you are unsure about GoCardless, I have some reviews for you guys, so let me show you that. So here, as you can see, used for to is use it for two of my businesses actually, and simple, effective, and reliable. And yeah, so make sure to give it a try to GoCardless using the link in the description below, using which you can get extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses, and it is going to be super amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you guys around in the next video.